Ever wondered where to find the ultimate tool for dropshipping? A platform that connects you directly to suppliers worldwide? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Oberlo, a powerful plugin that simplifies the dropshipping process. Imagine having a virtual assistant that sources products, handles order fulfillment, and even updates your inventory automatically. That's the power of Oberlo. Dropshipping has become a popular business model, allowing entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory. However, the process can be time-consuming and complex. That's where Oberlo comes in, streamlining the entire dropshipping workflow. 1. What is Oberlo? Oberlo is a Chrome extension that integrates seamlessly with your Shopify store. It acts as a bridge between you and thousands of suppliers, providing access to a vast range of products. From electronics and fashion to home goods and beauty, Oberlo has you covered. 2. Key features of Oberlo. Product sourcing. Easily search for products from various suppliers and import them directly into your Shopify store. Supplier ratings. Check supplier ratings and reviews to ensure you're working with reliable vendors. Order fulfillment. Automatically send orders to suppliers, who then ship the products directly to your customers. Inventory management. Oberlo keeps your inventory updated in real time, preventing stockouts and avoiding customer disappointment. Pricing automation. Set your own profit margins and let Oberlo automatically adjust prices based on supplier costs. Shipping options. Choose from a variety of shipping methods and carriers to offer your customers the best delivery options. 3. How to download Oberlo. Downloading Oberlo is a simple process. Install the Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome web store and search for Oberlo. Click the Add to Chrome button. Connect to Shopify. Once installed, log into your Shopify store and follow the on-screen instructions to connect Oberlo. 4. Getting started with Oberlo. Import products. Search for products using Oberlo's search bar or browse through different categories. Import the products you like into your Shopify store. Customize product information. Edit product titles, descriptions, images, and pricing to match your brand. Set shipping rates. Configure shipping rates based on product weight, dimensions, and destination. Fulfill orders. When an order is placed, Oberlo will automatically send it to the supplier for fulfillment. 5. Tips for using Oberlo effectively. Use filters. Refine your search results using filters like price, category, and supplier ratings. Check supplier reviews. Read reviews from other dropshippers to gauge supplier reliability and quality. Communicate with suppliers. If you have any questions or issues, don't hesitate to contact the suppliers directly. Monitor performance. Track your sales, profit margins, and customer satisfaction to optimize your dropshipping business. 6. Oberlo alternatives. While Oberlo is a popular choice, there are other dropshipping platforms available. AliExpress. A vast marketplace with millions of products, but it may require more manual work compared to Oberlo. Spocket offers a premium subscription plan with access to exclusive products and faster shipping options. Dropified, similar to Oberlo, but with additional features like product research and marketing tools. Oberlo is a powerful tool that can simplify the dropshipping process and help you start or grow your online business. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to success. Ready to start your dropshipping journey? Download Oberlo today and explore the endless possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.